Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when you're trying to add a family member to your Microsoft account and you get the error message, "Something went wrong." We'll focus on one simple fix that might resolve your issue, checking your Microsoft account settings. Let's get started. In the Accounts section, go to the Your Info tab. This is where you'll see your Microsoft account details. Make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft account. If you're using a local account, you might encounter issues when trying to add family members. If you're not signed in with your Microsoft account, click the Sign In with a Microsoft account link. Enter your Microsoft email and password to sign in. Once you're signed in, try adding the family member again. Go back to Family and Other Users, and click Add a Family Member. And that's it. Checking your Microsoft account is often the simplest solution to this issue. If this didn't solve the problem for you, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll guide you through other potential fixes. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.